bride at ang ating groom, they were never strangers to each other. Agree po kayo? They weren't. Hindi ito pinagtagpo, tapos pinagtadhana. Hindi po. Matagal na nilang kilala ang isa't isa, okay? They lived in the same barrio all their lives, okay? They were even schoolmates in grade school, Tulay Elementary School. They were even schoolmates in high school, St. James Academy. Yung bride was my classmate in elementary until grade 6. Yung groom is my first cousin. Okay po? They had been seeing each other even during the summer league. Alam niyo po yung mga paliga pag bakasyon? Yung groom, palagi siya nagpa-basketball. Yung bride, lagi siya nagme-muse. Okay? So, pansinin yung mga instances that they were never strangers. The bride was my bridesmaid when I got married almost 20 years ago. After 20 years, ayan, siya na yung bride. Gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na yung quiet, na the bride and the groom, kuya, mamaritas dito, yung bride, their fate, na pwede na lang silang mabuhay mag-isa forever. Imagine that. Ay, naiiyak ako. 500. So, inadmit nila na pwede na silang mabuhay mag-isa forever. Tanggap na nila that they were not supposed to be with someone else. Pero, sumagot si God. Si God, iba yung plan niya. So, yung plan ni God is for them to be together forever. Kaya gusto ko, tumayo kayong lahat as we introduce to you. Diba? Matagal na nagtagpo at nakatadhana ang sabi ni God. This is never too late. Kaya let's all welcome, ladies and gentlemen,